Hey everybody, Timothy Bennett here, professional wedding and portrait photographer. My passion is to educate, motivate, and inspire photographers of all skill levels. Today I'm doing a first impressions on the new Neewer convertible rolling camera bag. I believe it's the NW3300. That's coming up right now. Show you some of the exterior features of this bag. It's got wheels here, obviously. It's got a nice pouch that holds a little toad handle there, which is pretty heavy duty. Got a top handle here, side handle on this side, a little side pouch here just to put extra gear. It's also got another pouch on the front here. I put my modifiers in there. It's got a strap here to hold your tripod. And then on the back here, it's got a little business card plate, which is nice. And if you open this, if you do find yourself in a situation where you can't roll the bag, it does have a backpack conversion straps here, so pretty nice. Okay guys, I just want to show you the inside of the bag, how much it can hold. I've got my body in here, 24 to 70. I normally keep my second body down here. That's what I'm using to film this. Two really long slots here. We got an 8200 in this one, 72 here. My shoulder strap. This side I've got a 85 mil wireless receiver transmitter. My 50 millimeter helmet goes here. Two flashes here. Then I just use this end slot here for extra stuff. I've got other triggers for my flashes, prism, and little light strip here. So that's about it for the interior. Well, guys, this is the little inner liner pouch. You basically have 4 compartments. Big one down here. I've got a lot of filters and cleaning supplies in here. My batteries all fit in here with ease. I got some double A's in here. This one here, I've just got little grommets and screws. This actually holds all of your memory cards. Well, it holds 4, and it will hold compact flash and SDs will fit here, so pretty convenient there. Pretty nice setup. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Question of the day, which camera bags are you guys using? If you've got one of these, definitely let me know. I will come out with a more extensive review after I've had a chance to use this a little bit longer. I will leave a link in the description below where you can purchase it on Amazon. Right now this bag is going for $149.99. Remember, always pursue your passions and keep crushing it. We'll see you at the next one.